Goldman Sachs just warned 300 million jobs face displacement by 2027. Not eventually. 2027. Right now, 47% of administrative roles are automatable today. McKinsey data proves it. Amazon already replaced 12,000 warehouse workers with robotic systems last year alone. Customer service positions are next. Gartner reports 70% of support roles will vanish within 36 months. Accounting firms are quietly installing AI right now. Deloitte found 61% of tax preparation work can be fully automated today. Your spreadsheet skills might save you now. They won't in 2027. Data entry specialists should panic. Generative AI processes documents 50 times faster than humans. Legal research is burning. Thomson Reuters reveals AI handles discovery work at 40% the cost. Paralegals are disappearing first. Marketing roles shifting hard. Content writers face 55% job loss probability. But here is the truth nobody speaks. New roles emerge faster than old ones vanish, but only if you adapt today, right now. Upskill into prompt engineering and AI oversight immediately. Your job depends on your next 90 days. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.